Hello, welcome to week 2. This is Beth, your instructor of Writing 122. I've enjoyed getting to know y'all over the past several days, reading your forum posts, reading some of your writing assignments, number 1, and also getting to meet some of you in person. Please remember, even though this is an online class, I'm around, and I'm perfectly willing to talk to you on the phone, meet with you, in my office, meet with you for coffee, whatever works for you. My job is to make sure you succeed in this class. It seems like we have a great mix of people in this class coming from all sorts of different backgrounds, different feelings about social media too. I've got people who are totally addicted to it. We also have some people who could take it or leave it. So it'd be interesting to see how people's opinions change during these next few weeks, if they do. So week 2. Here we're changing the modality of our writing. We're going from personal narrative, we're going to more academic analysis, a rhetorical analysis of argument. We're going to see how different people formulate their argument, whether you think that it's effective or not. So here we've got the learning objectives. We've got an overview. Please read the course overview because in this I have explained the assignments for this week. And I hope the rationale behind it. Required reading, the circle. We're keeping on reading the circle. As I said last week, just use this as a basic general guideline. I have put down here the percentage and given you a cue as to where it is in the book, because some of you are reading it with an audiobook or you're reading it with Kindle, and the page numbers might not make a lot of sense to you. So anyway, just keep reading. Just keep reading. Now, the supplemental things, which you do not need to read, but I hope you do. I hope you look at them. I'm giving you the first thing, the influencers. This is descriptive rather than argumentative, but I thought you might find it interesting. It's about people who actually make a living with their YouTube channels, with their blog posts, by having enough followers and actually influencing people's opinions. I've had students in previous classes who have made money with a certain number of followers. So you might consider that. I'm not sure I would do that. Now, I want to show you composition and grammar resources. I want to point this out to you because after I grade your first writing assignments, if you notice that I have written the word comma splice, sentence fragment, run-on sentence, these are things you very, very, very definitely need to pay attention to. It is essential that you have a strong grasp of sentence structure in the English language to pass this course and to succeed in future classes and on the workplace as well. Look at these. I've given you links. Look at them, see if they make sense to you. If not, you might want to go to the Writing Center, consult one of the writing coaches. The U of O Writing Center is excellent too for those of you who are U of O students too, if that's more convenient for you. Our Writing Center is on the 2nd floor of the Center building, or you can meet with me. I would be very happy to talk to you about it. Then this week, you might really want to consult the rhetorical terms here. I'm giving you some terms that you might be familiar with, you might not. You might want to look at all of them and see, and because you probably will want to use those in your paper. And there again, if you have problems with it, just let me know and get in touch with me. The other thing I have is I have an example for you that I think you might like. It's a YouTube video explaining rhetorical concepts, the same ones that we just were looking at, in terms of the last debate of this 2016 presidential campaign in the United States between Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump. Don't worry, it's bipartisan. This woman, she's brilliant. She makes fun of both of them. But it's very accurate. She's saying exactly what they're using. Not always in a wrong way. Sometimes in a very good argumentative way, persuasive way. I'd like to know what you think about it. Activities this week, just as in most weeks here, assignments are due on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Wednesday, I'm asking you to contribute to the forum. This time, not on yourself, but what you think about the circle. I'm asking you about this whole circle business and what do you think. Then on Friday, just as on week 1, I'm asking you to comment on at least 2 of your classmates' comments. Disagreement's always good. Just be respectful. Then the writing assignment number 2, instead of the personal narrative, we're moving to the genre rhetorical analysis. So when you go here, you will see that I have given you bunches of articles. I want you to choose one. And goodness, if you can't find one that you like, find another one. Just check it out with me before Sunday, before you write it. But these are all argumentative essays. They're all good, I think. And what I want you to do is choose one, or one of your choosing, excuse me, and examine how on earth the argument is made. You'll have to find the thesis, and you'll have to say, how does this person support it? And then at the very end, what is your opinion of it? All of these are links for it. Then up here, the directions here, I am giving you how to do it. I've given you pretty extensive directions here, and then I've given you an example. Notice it is double-spaced, and it's short. It's only 3 paragraphs, and I've waited till the end to say my own opinion there. I've given you a works cited. You can copy this. We will not go into the citation form for another few weeks. We're using MLA edition 8 now. Some of you have used edition 7. It changed to 8 in March of 2016, and that's what everybody is using now. You can copy mine. I won't grade you down for the format here, so I wouldn't worry about that so much. I would worry about understanding your article. That's what I would go for. And so, therefore, good luck. I will look forward to hearing more from you. Bye for now.